Boom, showtime. Hello world, what's up guys? Welcome back to today's video. I just can't. Where do I even begin with today's video? If you've already clicked on this video, you know the title, you know the thumbnail. Today we are testing dollar store skincare. Now is the appropriate time to send prayers. Today guys, we are testing dollar store skincare. Now this is something that I've wanted to do for a really long time. I've seen other YouTubers try dollar store makeup, but I haven't seen anyone do a full dollar store skincare routine. I'm about to take you guys with me shopping in just a second, but I have got everything: cleanser, serum, lotions, potions. So who knows what is going to happen in today's video. I don't know what to expect. This is either going to be really good or really bad. Wait until you guys see the face mask that I picked up. Oh my gosh, the face mask is to die for. Alright guys, we are inside the dollar store. I have to find the skincare. What am I getting myself into? Guys, I'm distracted. Look at these little cute plants. Only $4. I think I'm gonna have to add this to my cart. This is not skincare, but... Okay, you guys, so we found the skincare section, and first things first, I love these. I've bought these at Sephora for like $5 or more a piece, $1.50 for two. These facial cleansing scrubbies, you're coming home with me. Okay, so I just talked to the store employee and she said that the facial cleanser is sold out. So we're gonna have to use these face wipes. Nivea, $4. Okay, there's a couple different selections here. No, I don't know. That one looks like the hand cream and that is so oily. What is this one? Dry and sensitive skin. Yeah, I think let's get this one. Who is she? Who are these beauties? Oh my gosh. Metallic, pink, silver, and gold? Who? What? Okay, we are going to have to get one of these. Which one should I get you? Oh my gosh. Okay, $4? Now for a face cream, collagen. What's this one? Argan, night creams as well. I don't know, which one should I get you guys? This one just looks like much more masculine. I feel like I'm a little bit more drawn to this black one. Is this the one? Let's get it. Okay, so far, face wipes, face cream, a face mask. I've got my silicone sponges. We're almost there. Now, look, if we didn't look way down here, we almost forgot our serum. A collagen anti-wrinkle facial serum. Now, honestly, this is the only serum that's here, so we're gonna have to get it. Now, I thought it would be fun to add in a little bit of lip chap. We can't neglect these kissable winter lips. I used to use this when I was in junior high, these Aquafina lip glosses. I'm getting it. Look at all this makeup, you guys. Lipsticks, face brushes, foundations. I mean, that is a whole other thing. What is this? Hair chalk? Oh my god. I can't believe, look at all of these hair accessories. I'm shook. Can you guys believe all of the things at the dollar store? As we saw, the skincare section was pretty big. I don't know who's buying their skincare at the dollar store, but obviously there's people out there because, as you guys heard, I talked to the sales associate and she actually said that their cleanser was sold out. When I asked her where the cleanser was, she was like, yeah, duh, it's sold out. Oh my god, is there a waiting list for this dollar store cleanser? I have got to go back and get my hands on it. All right, so are you guys ready for this entire dollar store skincare routine? I cannot. Let's first take a look at the receipt here. So for the entire skincare routine, it only cost me $17.55. I got 6 items for $17.50. Those little cleansing sponges were $1.50. The face mask was $4. The cream was $4. The wipes were $4. The serum was $4. And the lip balm was $2. Okay, so I feel like I can't put this off any longer. Let's try out this dollar store skincare routine. So the first step is the Nivea 3-in-1 Gentle Cleansing Wipes for eyes, lips, and face. Now, I picked the one for dry and sensitive skin. It says it can even remove waterproof makeup, mild and gentle for daily use, and these wipes were $4. Now we're already starting the skincare routine off on a very wrong foot. If you guys saw my video from last week, skincare mistakes you're probably making and how to fix it, one of the biggest skincare mistakes you can make is using a face wipe without washing your face afterwards. But you guys know I couldn't find a cleanser, that sold out cleanser from the dollar store. So all we're gonna have today is wiping our face with these Nivea face wipes. I do not recommend this. There is literally no excuse for not cleansing your face after using a makeup wipe. They can be full of harmful chemicals, and if left on the skin, they can irritate your skin, they can break you out. So let's open these together. I can't believe we're doing a dollar store skincare routine. Okay, these obviously have the Nivea scent. They smell like the typical Nivea hand cream. Let's just take this out of here. All right, so I can't believe this is what we're doing today, you guys. You know what? I don't mind the scent. It does smell like the Nivea cream, but a really mild or light version of it. Ooh, my skin is definitely looking hydrated. Let's take this under the chin. Okay, this definitely wasn't very saturated. I'm gonna actually use a second sheet. Oh yeah, now we mean business. All right, there we go. Now my skin is feeling a lot more fresh. I really wish that I could have used these little silicone cleansing brushes. If you just need a little help cleansing, these are perfect. You just put the cleanser right on the pad, swirl it around your face. All right, now my skin is definitely tingling. I am experiencing a little bit of, I don't want to say the B word, burning, but it definitely is tingling. Let's hope that that goes away. Now, next up is going to be a face mask. Look at this, you guys. This is the Luxe Beauty Care Age Defying Metallic Wash Off Mask. This also contains hyaluronic acid, and I'm not gonna lie, but this package got me. I mean, look at this. It is pink, it is shiny, it's metallic. I mean, I cannot. This face mask cost only $4. Okay, now I'm a little bit disappointed because when I picked this mask out, I thought that it was a peel-off mask. I thought it was a metallic pink peel-off mask, but I guess that's a little bit too good to be true. I'm still here for this pink color. It says it's recommended 2 to 3 times a week. So let's open this face mask up. Oh, y'all, no, y'all, this is so, can you guys see this? Oh my gosh, this is everything. It's really hard to see on camera, but it is a really shiny metallic pink. The texture is really weird. It's super watery. It's almost like a pudding, but the color of it, you guys, I can't. It's jelly. Oh. It looks a little bit gross on camera. Oh, I feel like Carrie. This is not a very glamorous looking mask. It doesn't look quite like the picture on the front. If you guys could see this in real life, it definitely is reflective. I can see where they were going with the face mask. I don't think they got there all the way, but let's put this back on because I don't want to get this all over my pants. Surprisingly, it actually feels very cooling and calming. The red color is kind of freaking me out. In real life, it's a little bit more pink, but I don't think I'm here for how it looks, but it actually feels really cooling, really calming. It kind of feels like if you imagine an aloe vera gel. It doesn't have any scent. It's not burning. It's not stinging. This is very interesting. I am a little bit worried to leave it on my skin because there are quite a few dyes in this face mask and I don't want it to dye my skin. I also don't want it to irritate my skin or break it out. But for today's video, I'm going to leave this on my skin for 15 minutes. Before I rinse it off, I'll check back in with you guys and then we'll rinse it off and see how it goes. Okay, surprisingly, my skin doesn't even feel that bad, you guys. It actually feels pretty well hydrated. And it looks really good. I am a little bit confused. It actually feels almost firmer. It doesn't feel tight or dry at all. This whole area here feels very smooth, very lifted. I am a little bit confused. Literally, what just happened? Okay, we need to move right along because I don't want my skin to dry out. Now, next up in a skincare routine, obviously, is serum. We were lucky enough to find from the Dead Sea collection another collagen product. This is the Anti-Wrinkle Facial Serum with Dead Sea Minerals. Spectacular moisturizing and soothing effects are provided by the innovative ingredients with anti-wrinkle properties. And of course, it's paraben free. Now, this serum, you guys, was $4. 4 actual dollars, literally 12 quarters, 16 quarters. Math has never been my strong suit. 16 quarters, and let's open this up and see what kind of magic we are gonna find in this. Okay, I'm not mad at this. Look, is this literally? This is a glass bottle. ASMR glass bottle. I mean, I feel though that this is a really big box for such a tiny serum. You guys, what is this? Have any of you guys tried dollar store skincare before? Let me know in the comments down below. Are there any of your favorite products from the dollar store? Please let me know. All right, here we go. A nice big dropper full. I'd say that's an appropriate size amount. Let's go ahead and press this into the skin. I'm literally saying prayer inside my head right now. Oh my gosh, please, 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 please don't let my face fall off. All right. I'm not the hugest fan of this serum. It is a very thick formula. I can feel it all over my skin. It's drying down a little bit sticky, but you know, sometimes that provides the hydration. So there is a lot of oil in here, so I don't want to use too much because I am not trying to break out. I feel like 1 pump is enough. It feels hydrated through my nose area, through my forehead. I definitely could use a second dropper full of serum, but just because I'm not sure how it's going to react with my skin, I don't think I'm going to use it today. I'm going to put it back in this gigantic package and call it a day. Oh my gosh, this has urea in it. Isn't that something that's normally found in a foot cream that makes like your foot soft? Oh my gosh, did I just put foot cream on my face? Okay, so for moisturizer, we're using from the same Dead Sea collection, the Collagen Anti-Wrinkle Night Cream, again with Dead Sea Minerals, with a spectacular moisturizing and soothing effects. Okay, both of these products, the serum and the moisturizer, say the exact same thing. Suspicious. Okay, so for ingredients, I see argan oil, shea butter, sodium hyaluronate. This sounds like a pretty thick, heavy moisturizer. There's a vitamin E, there is hydrolyzed collagen, a vitamin B5. Those things actually don't sound too bad. Let's go ahead and try this cream on. Now, this cream was $4 as well. So $4 for the face cream, $4 for the serum, and $4 for the face mask. How do they sell these things so cheap? Where do they get them? Do any of you guys know where the dollar store gets their products? Please let me know, or don't let me know in the comments down below. You know what? I've got to say that these skincare products actually look like products that you would see at TJ Maxx or at Winners. When you get them out solo, I'm like, okay, I feel like I've seen this before on the Winners shelf. And I feel like it would be priced at like $6.99, $8.99. What do you guys think? Am I on to something here? Okay, let's open this moisturizer up and get this party started. Peel this off. Really no scent. It just smells like a light moisturizer, very light fragrance. It does look like a thicker style of cream. Oh, very thick. I'll just show you guys on the back of my hand here. It feels very much like a Nivea or very much like a body cream. This is going to be super hydrating, and I'm going to use this very sparingly. All right, so I've taken a pretty small pea-size amount here. I'm going to put this on my fingers. Now, I do notice as soon as I started rubbing the product together, a scent started to appear, a very floral scent. It didn't really smell when I opened the package, but as soon as I started rubbing it between my fingers, it actually smells pretty strong now. Kind of smells like a grandmother's perfume. I'm not going to go crazy because this is such a thick formula with shea butter. We want to take this slow and steady. Okay, so just as expected, that moisturizer is very thick. As you guys can see, my skin is almost looking borderline greasy at this point. This would be okay, and I guess it is marketed as a night cream, so this is not a cream that you're going to be applying during the day and hitting the streets. My skin is very greasy, and if you're someone who wears makeup out there, your makeup is going to slip right off of this base. But you know what? For a night cream, if my face doesn't break out, this potentially, we could be on to something. I mean, compared to the beginning of today's video, my skin is definitely looking more hydrated, more supple, more full. I mean, without a doubt, it is definitely looking shinier, greasier perhaps. I mean, tomato, tomato. So the skincare routine would not be complete without treating my lips. So I picked up the Aquafina Hydrating Lip Balm. Now these bring me right back to junior high, and I don't know if I got them at the dollar store, but I remember these when I was in junior high and I remember them tasting really good. So that's why I picked them up today. Which flavor should I use? I honestly think I'm just gonna go for blue because I'm totally in like a refreshing mood. Oh my gosh, okay, this is exactly like I remember from junior high. Now this one is a minty flavor. They actually glide along the lips really well. Now they're only $1 a piece, $2 for two, and oh, I'm so happy. This is literally exactly what I wanted. Okay guys, so I guess that's it. I guess that is a wrap on today's video trying a dollar store skincare routine. Without a doubt, my skin is looking a lot more fresh and illuminated, hydrated, supple. But I mean, tomorrow is going to be the real test. Please pray that my skin doesn't fall off in my sleep. Please pray that I don't wake up with a face full of acne. I mean, I guess it will be worth it to test and try these products, but honestly, if nothing happens to my skin and if I wake up with luminous, radiant, glowing skin, I am gonna be shook. I mean, I got this whole entire routine for $17.55. Every product under $5. That is literally confusing, and it makes me question my entire existence. If you guys have any affordable skincare suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. I'll try and find these products and link them in the show notes down below as well. If you liked today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. If you made it to the end of today's video, you know that Romeo and I love and appreciate you so much. Thanks for sticking around until the very end, and of course, we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!